Quick tutorial how to create additive animation in Unreal Engine 5.4, which layers using control rig. First, let's set up our scene. If you already have animation ready for modification, you can skip this section. First of all, select the animation you want to modify, drag into the lever for future comparison. Duplicate this animation to avoid altering the original and move the copy to the root folder for easy access. Now I will change the skeleton for this animation, as the skeleton already has configured control rig. I will drag this animation into the scene for clarity. With this scene prepared, we can start adding the animation. Drag the control rig into the scene, which will create a sequence. Ensure your skeleton mesh translation retargeting settings are configured correctly so all bonus animate as expected. Next, add the desired animation to the sequence. Check the Convert to Layer box to work with layers. At the desired timestamp, modify the bone of interest. Press the S key to save the changes. The animation is now ready. Add into the content folder by click Create Linked Animation Sequence. Drag the new animation into the scene to view the final result. Thank you for watching. Take care.